Hey everyone, welcome back. Don't you think we are creating very simple album? Let's create more drama now. So I'm ready. Are you ready? Alright, so we have our designer paper and our solid paper, matting paper, and this goes on top of this. Now instead of tags, not instead, we are using tags, but I feel like I will create a envelope. Envelopes are really cute, shabby, and they don't go wrong, right? Envelopes and tags are like a heart and soul of crafting. I feel like that. I don't know, but let's get started. So what I have used to create my envelope, I have used this handy dandy envelope punch, and I have created the envelope like so. All right, and this envelope size is card size will be, I'll show you card size. So depending on card size we are creating envelopes. So the card size is 5.5 by 5.75. So you can use any 5 inches card envelope, 5 to 6 inches card envelope as per your choice, and make one, make two, make four. For now, two. Okay. All right. So what I did, these folds, I don't want to create envelope like very sticking and making a pocket envelope. I just want everything open wide. So what I did, I just want to open this part. So this part, of course, this part is going in, and what instead of this part going this way, I just want this part like that. So it will look like an envelope from the top. Let me show. I hope I'm not making it more complicated, but once I show you what's my idea is, I have this designer paper here, so let's put it on top so you can see. This looks like envelope, right? We will decorate this part, don't worry. And this part is our flap. It will stick inside. You don't need this much big, you can cut it, but the idea is it will go under our base paper like that. All right, and then our designer paper like so, like that. So you can see this envelope shape, but it is not envelope with the pocket. But if you want to create a pocket, you can create a pocket right here. So just stick 3 sides and create a pocket, make a like a U or half like those punch knobs, and make a pocket if you want hidden pockets and all. I don't want it, so I'll just stick this part nice and tight, and then this close like that, and we have a magnet here, of course. And when this open, you will have this decorative sides and this page inside. You can use this page for smaller, cuter pictures, or any write-ups, any titles, any sentiments, however you want. They close like that, of course. Then this one will close like this. And to keep this envelope not dancing around, what we will do, we will use our handy dandy tag. So this is small tag. I already have measurements of small tag in my last 2-3 videos, so make sure you use that sizes, or the size which you are creating this envelope. If your envelope is 6 by 6 card, create a bigger tag, or long tag, or smaller tag, or just the strip, just whatever easy for you. It goes like that, and we are using magnet right there, and everything is nice and tight on their spaces, right, or their places. Sorry. So let's get started. Let's assemble this page. I'm so excited for this page somehow, I don't know, but quickly I'll fast forwarding this video. All right, so now we will stick our this back side under this matting paper. Make sure it's line up on the center nicely, and use a glue. If you want to create a gusset here, you can do it, but I don't want to do it right now. And as I said, we don't need this huge part, so you can just cut it. And properly on the center it goes like that. Alright, it looks like that. Okay, and now we need to fix this part, stick this part. So for this one, we just need to make it properly on the center. So I'm just creating a mark here, and all right, right there, just little below that mark we did, not like on the mark, and then push it a little bit in. All right, and now we are using a magnet. Seam binding or twine will work best if you make the hole here and use one seam binding side here and not make a knot right there. So let's put this one here. And now we will cut designer paper for here, some papers for here and there, and our this page will be ready like that. Isn't it cute? It's pretty. I love it. And next page we will move on. For next page, again same exact replica of this page. Okay, but the other side. See? So I don't think you need any tutorial for this one, since I am creating exact similar pages. See, so it will look, I'll show you first. Get our album, the first page. So first page like that, and our next page will be like this. Let me just put it nice and easy. So this one, and then our this envelope goes right here like that, and then our tag will go like that. So these pages look like this, and we are using all our beautiful flowers here and some sentiments and all. So these are twin, and I hope you will stay tuned for next two pages. Thank you so much for watching.